Hello friends, I'm Colonel Chehil, and in this video, we will look at the salient aspects to be kept in mind while you write your situation reaction test or the SRT. So you're aware that there are a total of 60 SRTs which are required to be done by you in 30 minutes. So in other words, it means कि हर एक SRT के लिए आपको on an average 30 seconds मिलेंगे. So therefore, you can't write long sentences. You have to write it in a telegraphic, cryptic language. Now, the reason for the time boundation is that the psychologist wants you to give your impromptu response. He doesn't want you to give a thought through response. अगर आप सोच के लिखेंगे तो naturally the response that you write will be more desirable kind of response. लेकिन अगर आप impromptu response लिखोगे तो naturally that will be closer to the way you will actually react to that situation. So the major points to be kept in mind is, firstly, make sure that you write your SRT in a telegraphic, cryptic language. Do not write long sentences, otherwise you will not be able to complete it, and ideally you should be able to do about 45 to 50 and more SRTs. Anything less than, let's say, 40-45 SRTs will be inadequate, which in other words means that the test will lose its relevance if you have written less than 40 SRTs. Naturally, it means कि ये आप सोच के लिख रहे हो. This is not the actual response that you may give in that particular situation. The second point to be kept in mind is that, like I told you, that the SRT has to be written in a cryptic language. तो उसके जो सब steps होंगे, हर एक रिस्पॉन्स के कुछ मे बी 3 से 4 छोटे वाले सब रिस्पॉन्सेज होंगे, उनको आपने कॉमा करके यू हैव टू राइट इट इन अ टेलीग्राफिक क्रिप्टिक लैंग्वेज. आई विल एक्सप्लेन टू यू विद एन एग्जांपल अ लिटिल लेटर. Third point to be kept in mind is that the SRT should always have a logical conclusion. जो भी आप SRT लिख रहे हो उसको कभी भी हाफ में नहीं छोड़ना. Make sure that you take it to its logical conclusion. Which in other words means, जैसे कि आप कोई एग्जाम दे रहे हो तो आपको वो एग्जाम पास होने तक लिखना है. If you're talking about playing a match, write about winning the match. If you're talking about any purpose, for example, if you have to go somewhere, the SRT should finish with reaching that spot. So make sure that you take the SRT to its logical conclusion. Next point to be kept in mind is that avoid using word try. When you say tried to put out fire, it in other words means that you're not too sure of yourself. Maybe you're not very confident of yourself, and therefore it is better to give a final affirmative answer rather than saying tried to put out fire. You should say with the help of others was able to put out the fire. So it should always be taken to its logical conclusion. Also make sure that the sub responses that you write, they are written in a sequential manner. For example, if there is a SRT on let's say fire in the building in your neighborhood, so the responses should go sequentially. So the first in the sequence should be calling the fire services. Next in the sequence would be rushing to the spot and raising an alarm. Third sub-step should be assisting evacuation of people who are stuck. उससे अगला sub-step क्या होना चाहिए? With the help of others and fire brigade contained the fire or put out the fire. So make sure that you write your SRT in a sequential manner, और वो sequence सही होना चाहिए. And always take it to its logical conclusion. Avoid using word try. Usually the SRTs are given to you in past tense, and hence your response also should be in past tense only. So these are certain important points that you could keep in your mind when you're writing your SRTs. I hope you will find the video interesting.